Would you like to update into Windows 11? I will show you how to make this process if you're still running Windows 10 into your PC. The first method is by focusing into your Start setup here. When I click directly into it, I want to look out for my settings. If you don't find your setting tab, into the upper side just type the word settings. And here's my best matched. I will click into settings. Then you want to focus into the left section, go all the way down and look for Windows to update. Now here at the bottom of the sidebar, this is your manual check. So if Windows finds anything from security patches to the latest 2026 feature drops, it will start downloading them automatically. So now here's the pro tip most people missed. If you right above the check button, there's a toggle that says get the latest updates directly inside here. In my case, I will be going for download and install the elements that appears in my case. Let's go for download and install. But you scroll a little bit down, you can see the one that says advanced options. Into advanced options, what you can do is to enable, for example, receive updates from other Microsoft products. Scroll a little bit down, and here, for example, you have the optional updates. Sometimes a few updates are optional, so you can enable these elements so they can be appearing now into the Windows to update. And what you can do is just to hit into the option that says download, and you're good to go. Now, if this one does not appear into your computer, you can do this manually. Let's open a new tab into your browser. Inside here, I'm going to type Windows 11. Now, when you clicked here, before you click into download Windows 11, you wanted to make sure that you are inside www.microsoft.com. Once you finish with this process, what you wanted to do is to look out for the option that says download. In my case, I will be changing my actual country from Australia into English just to show you the exact language that we are using. As you can see, Windows 11. There we go. Now this is the best option for installing Windows 11. Click into download to get started. So when you hit into the option that says download now, into the upper right section, it will be giving you the Windows 11 installation assistant. What's going to happen, it will be asking you here to make sure that your computer can run the Windows 11. So you just needed to just double click into the file that you have downloaded, and it will be showing you something, the Windows 11 setup agreement. If you want, you can read it everything. If you don't, you can just skip this part and look out for the option that says accept. Then in here is going to be asking you a few questions about the language and the edition would you like to install, the USB flash drive. We don't have a USB flash drive, so you want to focus only with the file that you have downloaded. And now it will be verifying your installation process. It will be verifying your file, and just like that, Windows will be now being installed into your device. Make sure that you hit type into the word that you don't have an actual product key, because you're using the free version that appears into the browser. I would like to remember that before you do any of this process, you wanted to import, or let's say add an external device so you can back up all the data that appears into your computer just to be safe. I don't think it will be deleting everything into your computer, but just to be safe, try to back up everything directly into your computer. When you finish this process, usually what you can do is to go back into your settings. Inside the settings, look out for system, and into system, scroll all the way down to look out for the about section, and it will be telling you what is the actual new specifications of your computer. Into my Windows specifications, it will have to appear the edition of the Windows 11 Home single language, and you're good to go. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So remember that most updates won't finish until you restart, so save your work and do that now. If this helped you, once again, don't hesitate to tell me into the comments what should we fix now, or what you wanted to know, speaking about Windows or something else related with technology. Thank you for watching. See you next time.